I will ask you some questions. So you just answer whatever comes up for you.
Okay.
So you tell me कि what are your talent, skills, and abilities? Every
I
person
am
has some talent, skills, abilities. So what are
yeah.
your talent, skills, abilities?
I am an excellent communicator. I can
Okay.
talk well, and I am a very good artist. I paint very well,
Okay.
and um, I teach very well as well. I can coach people. I can teach them. So I have been. I my passion was teaching since my childhood.
Okay. So what do you teach?
I can. So I teach now that I am into art. I teach art to people. So I like to conduct workshops, teach people whatever I know, whatever I learn. I even sometimes think of teaching the healing things that I do, whatever healing modalities I learn. But then I haven't done that yet. It's just in my mind that I think I'll do, but then I come back to myself thinking कि नहीं होगा मुझसे, people would not pay me. ऐसे.
Hmm. Okay. Fine. And what do you love to do? What do you love to do?
Um, I love
Some
to paint and I love to
love,
talk. Yeah,
love to paint and talk.
yeah.
What makes you, lose track of time when you're doing something?
Mm-hmm.
And what makes you, what are those things which when you do, you lose track of time?
Uh, when I'm painting or when I'm reading,
Okay.
so anything productive that I know I have to do this in a fixed time. So I keep on doing it and I keep losing track of time.
Okay. So, so how do you feel when you're painting or teaching? How do you feel?
So at that time, I do not have any external thoughts. I do not think of anything else. I am into it. Whatever I am doing, I'm just doing that. So no stress, nothing. I'm just focused on the task at hand.
Hmm. So every person has come to this planet with some talent, skills, abilities, and when they are doing things, some things, they lose track of time, and they love to do that. All these things point to your life purpose.
Okay.
Okay. So if in one word, if you would, or one sentence, if you would say, my life purpose is, so if you just complete this statement, my life purpose is, so what would you say?
Right now, the word that comes to me is teaching.
Okay, good, good. So my life purpose is teaching. And uh, how do you feel when you're teaching?
I feel very happy. Yes, actually, I like to connect with people, teach them, and when I receive feedback from them that I taught them very well and they're happy, the time spent well, it gives me satisfaction.
It gives you satisfaction.
Yes.
Right. Good. So, uh, what are your goals, ambitions, and visions? What do you want to do in future?
I actually don't know.
So there are no goals, ambitions, or something that you want to do in future.
For now, I am not sure, sir. I don't know what should I do.
Not sure, but you have some thoughts.
Thoughts and I want to be uh, someone that people know, some a go-to person to learn something, to learn healing art, to heal with art. I want to heal people with my art, including my healing abilities as well as my art. So I want to combine that together, and so that people know when they want to have some relaxing time, want to heal, they come to me for uh, for someone who can heal them by spending their time beautifully creating art.
Right. So, what would you call a person who is healing others, who is teaching others, and taking time for others? How would you describe a person?
Healing artist.
Healing artist. Okay, fine. So you know what? I think your uh, your life purpose is teaching. That statement is like sounds true to me. So just repeat it maybe 3 times. My life purpose is teaching, and see how you feel about it. How true do you feel about it? When you are actually, if that is your life purpose, you'll feel you'll feel, and if you feel like adding some words to it, you can try different wording. Just try out and how it feels. So you will be lit up when you're saying. So when I'm saying my life purpose is to contribute to others, so I feel good. I feel lit up. So just try a couple of sentences and see what feels true to you.
Okay. My life purpose is teaching. My life purpose is teaching art. My life purpose is teaching healing arts to people. My life purpose is to teach heal with art to people. My life purpose is to teach healing arts to people.
Wow. So which one you felt the most?
My life purpose is to teach healing arts to people.
Wow. So how does it feel when you say it?
Some sort of satisfaction inside with healing
Feels,
arts. But yeah,
you feel satisfaction.
yeah,
Good. That is the sentence which feels the most true to you.
yes.
Wow, congratulations. So that is your life purpose.
Is it?
Yes,
Thank.
life purpose is to teach healing art to people. Your life purpose is to teach healing art to people. And it sounds true to me and it's really good. So for you also it sounds true, right? It
Yes,
feels good.
yes.
You're lit up, like you are. You feel excited. You feel. How do you feel?
I feel good. Though there are many questions on back of mind, how do I do it? But then it
Yeah.
feels good.
How do I do it? Is the answer is that you do it. You do it like everywhere, like in every aspect of your life,
Mhm,
in every way, wherever you go, you're
mhm.
teaching. You teach healing art to people in all your interactions also.
Okay.
So then it can be teaching also. It can be healing. It can be various manifestations. But like whenever I am, so now in this call, my life purpose is to contribute to others. So in
Mhm.
this call also I'm contributing to you.
Right.
Earlier I was just talking to my wife sometime back, so I was contributing. Before that at 3 p.m. we had that webinar, so I was contributing to people.
Mhm.
You understand?
Yes.
So in the sometime back, I'm doing distance selling for somebody, so I was talking to her. I'm contributing. Just now the phone was ringing. I have to speak to her. This is a weekly call that we have. So
Okay.
even I'm waiting for that also. That is also a contribution.
Okay.
She's waiting to be contributed by me.
So the life purpose, that does not only mean what you do for living, what you how I mean how do you make money out of it. It's about everything. How you do
Yes,
about your everything in life.
yes. Everything that you do is contributing to others. Today normally I wake up earlier than my wife. Okay,
Mhm.
and I made like protein shake in the morning.
Okay.
That is also contributing to others.
Yes.
So in every way, I am contributing to others. So that is the life. And not in the beginning, people may not be like that aligned to their life purpose.
Mhm.
Like their every act is that way. But as they become more and more aware of their life purpose, then every act becomes a contributing to others. Like or it
Yeah, the life
becomes
purpose.
their life purpose. Like
Okay.
their life purpose manifests in every act they do.
Okay.
Whatever they do, it manifests in that. So in the beginning, it may not be that, but gradually it becomes like that. The more you grow spiritually, also, so that's why, like a third degree practitioner will anyway become more and more clear about the life purpose.
Mhm.
A Reiki practitioner who has reached the third degree level, anyway, that person will become more and more clear. But if this kind of processing is done, like then it helps them to become more clear. Like this, does it help you? Like this
Yes.
person
Yes. So
interaction
though the words came from me, so everything you asked, what inside me only, but then taking that out
yes,
and making it a confirmation is important, which you did.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. And I was just asking questions, and I
Right.
was facilitating. I was asking questions, and you came up with everything. And you also made sure that it feels right to you, and it lit up. It made you bright. It made you smile. It made you feel excited. Something like that. That is the thing, right?
Yes.
So wonderful, great job. Congratulations on discovering and identifying, articulating your life purpose.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
I know I used to call you Reiki every time. Used to come to me when I think of Reiki or an answer from Reiki energy. So you come to me every time. So you're still my Reiki.
yes, always, always.